Hey, this is Heather Wiskus coming to you live from Give Me Some Green in Matthews Mint Hill, where we are celebrating Small Business Saturday. Shop local, folks. You've got so many vendors here in North Carolina that are amazing, and I know there's places all over the state right now, especially in the Charlotte area, that have brought in specialty vendors to help you support Shop Local, because a lot of these places just don't have a store to go to, which is why we all love Matthews Alive and all these little events with all the little tchotchkes, because these artisans are incredible. So today we're really excited to bring a couple to you right here in our store. We have got Vitality Ginger, and she specializes in essential oils, and not New Living, not Young Living, not doTERRA, but she actually gets the essential oils organically and infuses a lot of them. So today we've got her products here. I'm going to turn myself around so you can see her wonderful booth. She's got lip balms, sprays, roll-ons, candles, lotion candles. Actually, she's helping us do a custom line of CBD infused lotion candles. So if you've ever had one of those, they're the candles that you can light and you dip your finger in them and you can actually use them as lotion. So we'll have those infused with CBD as early as the 14th. So we're really excited to bring those on. On top of that, we've also got some Norwex here today. So if you've not heard of Norwex, it is a chemical-free cleaning solution. So that's something you want to come check out. And then lastly, I'm really excited about this one because I have a personal interest in this particular vendor. This is my beautiful daughter. I know, she's prettier than me, but she's mine, I swear to God. She is only 14 years old, and she used to go to Northwest School of the Arts, and she is an artist. So she is actually here doing custom pieces. She has her own line called Pocket Birds. So this is one of her pieces that we have. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. Look, Sky, it's right in front of your face. You're a pocket bird now. But she does custom pieces. She also does things like murals. This is my beautiful daughter, and she does dog pictures. So when we did the Positively event, in Matthews, she was actually doing custom portraits. So she'll be back with us on December 21st doing custom cat, dog, bird portraits, the same day that we're doing pictures for everybody. So if you want to show some of your pictures, Sky. This is one of the custom portraits she's doing. So when she's doing them on just a piece of paper, they're $10. On canvas, they're $20, and then framed, they're $35. They make a great gift. If you don't see the one you like, just let us know and she'll do them custom. She also does murals. So this is going to be a great day for you to stop by the store. We also have our 15% off sale, and we're doing package deals. So you pick 3 products in the store with a custom nice gift bag, and we're taking 15% off, and it's customer choice. So we're not making the packs, you're making the packs. Next Saturday, we're giving away free 15-minute Megan sessions. So if you've not had a Megan therapy massage, you are totally missing out because you'll feel like $1,000,000. They are completely free. We are not taking call-ins on that day, guys. You physically have to come in and put your name on the list, otherwise we'll book up too fast. So definitely come out next Saturday. On the 14th, we're doing free stocking stuffer giveaways with a $25 purchase. So you'll be walking away with free CBD product on the 14th, so you've got to come check that out. On the 21st, we're doing live pet photos for the holidays. So it is the one time that Give Me Some Green allows pets in the store, so bring them in. We'll take a picture for you. You'll go home with it that day. And like I said, we're bringing Skylar back with Sky's Limit Art to do stuff that day as well. And don't forget, stay tuned for us partnering with Vitality Ginger to make some CBD infused lotion candles. Thanks for listening, you guys. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. Don't forget to shop local and support local business here in North Carolina. Have a fantastic day.